So when a horizontal force of 5 newtons accelerates a 4 kilogram mass from rest at a rate of 0.5. So that's my acceleration in the positive direction. What's the friction force? So I always start, the free body diagram would be normal, gravity applied, and friction. The sum of my forces in the x are just this horizontal force, which they told me was 5. Oops, I'll do force applied, which they told me is 5. I don't have friction. Net force is always what causes the mass to accelerate. In this case, it's a 4 kilogram mass accelerating at 0.5 meters per second. So that works out at 2 is my net force. My friction force, I don't know yet, but the applied force is 5. So subtracting from both sides, you can come up with force of friction equals -3 newtons. Boom. The next piece is the coefficient. So force of gravity is mass times gravity, not just mass, and it is balancing off the normal force. So the normal force is also going to be equal to mass times gravity, but it will be in the positive direction. So 4 times 9.8, which should get us 39.2 newtons. You should have force of friction is the coefficient times normal. The coefficient that you're solving for is the force of friction over normal, which is going to be 3 over 39.2. The 3 is negative, but the coefficient is an absolute value. So that should work out to about 0.77 for the coefficient.